Welcome to our SELT test prep video series. This episode focuses on the A1 speaking test. We hope that practicing with this video will help you feel more comfortable speaking English and more confident about taking your English language test. Before we get started with practicing our English speaking skills, let's go over what you can expect in this video. This video will provide sample speaking prompts from Part 2 of the A1 level test. Part 2 of the speaking test has 2 topics with 5 questions, or speaking prompts for each topic. This video will go over the questions for one topic. Each question will be on its own slide. After we get through the questions, we'll discuss some tips to help you prepare your own answers and ideas to help you practice. Are you ready? The topic for this set of questions is cooking and eating food. The first question is, what food do you like? Let's hear an example of an at-level response.
I like different types of food. Vegetables, chicken, fish, pasta.
Feel free to listen to that response as many times as you'd like. Listen to what kind of details the speaker shares. When you're ready, we'll move on to question 2. Question 2. What can you cook well?
I can cook rice really well.
Go back and listen to the response as many times as you'd like. It's short, but think about the words used in the response. When you're ready, we'll move on to question 3. Question 3. Tell me about a restaurant or cafe in your town.
There is a Chinese restaurant in my town. It's new, and I like the food.
Listen to the response as many times as you'd like. As you do, take note of what details are shared about the restaurant. Why do you think they chose to talk about this restaurant? When you're ready, we'll move on to question 4. Question 4. When do you eat at a restaurant or cafe? Why?
I usually go to a restaurant or cafe on my birthday, and sometimes at the weekend. I like to celebrate my birthday with my friends.
Listen to the response as many times as you'd like. Try to pick up the details provided about when they go to a restaurant and the reason for going. When you're ready, we'll go to question 5. Question 5. What do you not like to eat? Why?
I don't like potatoes and I don't like lamb, but I like lots of other foods.
Please feel free to listen to that response or any previous response again. When you're ready, we'll move on to some tips to help you with your own responses. The responses shared to each question are examples of at-level responses that will score a passing grade. What are some things we can take away from this and apply to our own responses? Remember, in Part 2 of the A1 speaking test, you will hear the question and respond to it directly once you hear the beep. You'll have up to 15 seconds to respond to each question. Do your best to stay calm and focused and speak naturally like you're talking to a friend. When you're practicing speaking, remember to respond to the entire question. Give a little bit of detail if the question includes asking why, and 15 seconds may seem like a long or short time, depending on how you're feeling, so keep your answers on the simple side and do your best to stay on topic. And also remember to be true to yourself. No one knows you better than you do, so share what's true for you. Just keep practicing, you'll find the right words in English. Thank you for watching this video in our SELT test prep video series for the A1 speaking test. You'll find more test prep materials on our YouTube channel and our website, skillsforenglish.com. Good luck, and remember, you've got this.